Hello, today I'll take you through the NeoStencil product to explain how I can use this for my exam preparation. As soon as I come to the website, I can see the main menu which talks about the various exams offered, the courses, all the teachers on the platform, and the free content that's available. The homepage gives me a list of all the popular courses available, how I can use the platform. It tells me about all the toppers who've used the platform in the past, their testimony. Once I decide that I want to join a particular course, I want to understand his page, where I see all about his career highlights, his course that I like. Go straight away to the course page, which tells me the validity of the course, students who've purchased the course in the past, overall how many sessions the course has. I can view a demo on the course page to understand the teaching style of the teacher, go through the overall course page. Each course comes with study material which is dispatched within a few days of my joining the course, and it will be delivered to my home address. I can interact with the teacher via the platform. During the course validity, I would have unlimited access to all the videos of the course. Just like any other course, this one also comes with a no questions asked money back refund policy. Once I decide I like the course, I want to join it, I do have an option to pay later, which is very useful for people with from a financially weaker background. Let's say I decide to buy the course right away. After that, it's a regular e-commerce workflow. Teachers, basically everything that I need to prepare for my exam, I get on this one platform. Thank you for listening.